Today we're going to install the replacement tail light on this 2014 Ford Mustang GT. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pass in that pigtail through that hole and just bring it all the way through till we pop out that seal. Perfect. Now we'll line up our tail lights with the 3 holes that it needs to go in. There's 1, 2, and 3 down here. Once we have that in and in place, let's go ahead and tie it down with the 11mm nuts that we removed. There's 1, there's 2, and then the 3rd one is way up here. Bend that back a little bit, put that down, and we'll secure those down, like I said, with an 11mm. For that last one, we'll have to use a swivel, but for these other 2, just go ahead and tie these down. And same thing with all the rest. Alright, next we're going to plug in our pigtail. Sweet. We will next grab our cover. We will connect the rear light right into that. There's a pigtail there. There is 2 clips there. We'll clip right into those holes there. So we'll bring this up, work it into place, clip them down. There it is. Bring this in, bring this in. We have these retainer nuts, 2 of them, and retainer clips. The retainer clips are going to go right in here, just like so. And the nut is going to go right in here and screw on, just like so. And then same thing to the other side. Nut there, and then the retainer in there. Grab our carpet. Put our carpet into place, work everything down here, and we are set. And that is how you install the new tail light on this 2014 Ford Mustang. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.